Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card on this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the XIAOMI Mi Mix 2. Hold down power key for a couple of seconds. Let's just simply choose power off and let's tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards you have to prepare some thumper tag or special eject tool. So here I have such tool, and then let's find the special tray on your device. The tray is located at the left edge of the phone right here. So let me just open this tray by using this thumper tag. Let's just press it into this hole, and right now you can remove the whole thing. As you can see, I just accidentally switched off my device, but it's okay. In this operation, let's just insert here the Nano SIM card. This is my Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position. As you may also notice, you can insert here two Nano SIM cards. So let me just switch off my device as it was in the previous step. So let me just tap power off, and then let's insert here the slot with your Nano SIM card. Let's insert this tray as simple as that and push it to the end. Excellent. So right now you can turn on your device just by holding a power key. Let me do it. Let's press power button and the XIAOMI Mi Mix 2 is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. So let's swipe up to unlock. If you have a pin on your SIM card, you have to enter the pin. So let me do it. Let's just enter my pin. Tap agree, and right now you can use your device. Choose settings. Let me make sure that the device is reading our SIM card. Choose SIM card and mobile network, and as you can see, the device is using our SIM card, our Nano SIM. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.